Hooty hoo, all my stock market gamblers. This is Tall Mike, and today is Tuesday, September 15th. Anyways, we want to talk a little bit today about the dollar crisis going on right now in the United States. Look, I don't know if you caught Ellen Greenspan, the ex-Fed chairman's interview last week, but anyways, what was interesting to me is him and Jerome Powell are both worried about the same thing. They're both worried about inflation. Now, Ellen Greenspan, he says we're going to get a lot of inflation and that we should be concerned about too much inflation, kind of like a hyperinflation. Now, Jerome Powell, he's still saying no inflation. We can't get inflation. We're trying to get inflation. He's telling you he's going to get inflation. Anyways, which one do I think is smarter? Which one do I think is right? Oh man, I'm going with my buddy ex-chairman Ellen Greenspan. He's allowed to say a little more than Jerome Powell. I think Jerome Powell knows we're headed for inflation, maybe even hyperinflation. But anyways, what we got is we got the printing of money. We had this virus come out and we overreacted. We got a $3 trillion stimulus package. We've been pumping about $1 trillion a month into the economy. It's ridiculous, and we're trying to pass another $2 or $3 trillion. It's a big overreaction, and what it's causing is a crisis in the dollar. Now, you may notice it, you may not notice it. I notice it when I go shopping. I go to the grocery store. Man, actually, I went to Costco yesterday. I bought $350 worth of stuff. My cart was basically empty. You don't get that much for $350. That's crazy. I mean, if you can't see that the dollar's kind of in a crisis where it's not buying you as much, I mean, it's pretty obvious to me. Anyway, so how do we protect ourselves against it? I keep telling people gold, silver, and Bitcoin. Gold, silver, Bitcoin. Okay, this is your protection against the dollar. Now, I get this all the time. A lot of my friends, they go, well, I don't want to buy gold up here. Gold's at a record high. Why would I buy it at a record high? Well, isn't it too late? I mean, they think it's too late. Let me explain something here. When gold is in a bull run, it takes about 10 years to play out. All right, so like in 1971, gold was at $35, all right? By 1980, it was at $800. I mean, that's over a 20x return, 20 times on your money, $35 to $800. Now, we had the same thing back in 2000. In 2001, gold was, $240 or something. Anyways, by 2011, we hit a record high at $1,900. Now that was a good 8 times your money, okay? So we have a 20x and an 8x. I mean, these bull runs, though, they take a long time to play out. Now, people think we're at the end of this bull run in gold. No, not even close. We're probably in the second or third inning at best. At best. I mean, this bull run just started at like 2017. What was it? We were down at 1,100. I mean, okay. Yeah, we're probably second or third inning. Now, 1,100 to 1,900, that's not even a double. I mean, this thing's going at least 5 to 10x. Okay, so anyways, it's 1,100. You're going to see this finish out at 5,000, somewhere in between 5,000 and 10,000. That's not going to happen tomorrow. Bull runs take 10 years to play out. 10 years. Okay, so if we started in 17, we're going to finish in 27, 26, 27, right? But anyways, my point is it's really not too late, and you really need to put this protection on. I mean, we're debasing the dollar. Okay? The Fed is telling you what they're going to do. They're telling you they're going to debase it. They're telling you your money is not going to be worth what it is today next week because we're going to keep printing money. I wish they would stop. I would stop being a stacker of gold. I would stop being a stacker of silver. But as long as they printing the money, you got to protect yourself. If you just have money sitting in the bank, I mean, what are you getting out of bank right now? Let's say a checking account or a savings account. I guarantee you, it's less than 0.5%. I mean, this is just stealing your money. Stealing it. That's what they're doing. They're just going in and saying thank you. Thank you for being an idiot and keeping your money in our bank. Pretty soon you're going to be such an idiot because we're going to charge you to keep your money in the bank. I'm telling you, protect yourself. Protection, protection, protection. I mean, I don't know. What more can I say? You got Powell telling you I'm going to print till I get hyperinflation. Now, he doesn't say hyperinflation. He can't say that. He says he's shooting for a 2% target rate. Ah, man, Jerome, we got way more than 2% right now. Way more. But, oh no, that's his target. That's his target. He might even run it a little bit hot, he says. Look it. You need protection. Okay, so you got gold, you got silver. Silver's probably the cheapest commodity on the planet right now. I mean, $27? Really? Man. Okay, so gold's up here at 1950, let's call it. The last time gold was at 1900, silver was at 50, okay? Silver was at 50. I mean, not this 27, so silver's going to at least double, but I'm telling you, we're going to hit 100, and we're going to even hit 150 on silver. Now, if I'm right, now, man, I could be wrong. I could just be blowing sunshine at you, but if I'm right, at the minimum, you're going to get a 5x return on silver. You're going to get a 5x return on gold. Well, actually, gold at 10,000, that's probably time to sell. But you're going to get, I mean, it's at 2,000. You're at least going to triple. You're going to triple on the gold, 5 times on your silver. Silver is going to outperform gold, in my opinion. But these are protection. Everybody's laughing at Bitcoin. You know, they're going, hey, Mike, that's just, it's a scam, Mike. It's a scam. I mean, Bitcoin was at 20,000. Now it's at 10,000. Look at Bitcoin is very volatile, but it can be back at 20,000 in a heartbeat. All right. Now, how high do I think Bitcoin can get? I don't know. Nobody does. But I do know and believe that it's going higher because they're crapping out the dollar. We're in a dollar crisis and Bitcoin's going higher, gold's going higher, silver's going higher. This is how you protect yourself. Now, if we get a pullback in any of these, I'm buying now, I'm stacking anyways. But if we get a pullback, if gold drops from 1900 down to 1600, I'm buying with both hands. Silver at 27 and that got down to 20. I'm buying. Bitcoin at 10,000. Say that drops to 6,000. I'm buying. Do I think any of those three things are going to happen? No, I do not. I don't think we're going to get the pullbacks anymore. I think we're done with the pullbacks. So you got to protect yourself. That's all I really wanted to talk about today is you got to protect yourself. Anyways, let me give you one quick stock tip. Anyways, it's just what I'm doing. You do whatever you want. Anyways, I'm buying some calls on First Majestic, AG, First Majestic Silver. It's a silver trade. Anyways, I'm going to buy some call options on this. That's all I got for you. If you like these conversations, hit that subscribe button. You know, just go ahead, punch it. If you want to know how I found AG as a stock trade, I'm a chartologist. I look at charts. Go to stockmarketgambler.com and I'll teach you how to read the charts. I'll give you my secrets. Yeah, stock market secrets. Go to stockmarketgambler.com. I'll show you why I picked AG. Anyways, that's all I got. Get out there and do some trading. The market's going right now as we speak. I'm telling you, it's a good day to do some trading. This is Tall Mike.